Okay, it's another day out here. Welcome back. I'm going to try some fishing. Still raining today, but let's give it a go. There's no point sitting at home doing nothing. Let's get out there. This is our spot. Let's give it a go.
I'm gonna get a bigger cat.
Doesn't look too bad out here. Got something on. Oh, yep. Oh, little brim. There's something out here. Not a keeper though. Back he goes. The waves are coming in from a boat. Woohoo! This is wild. Quick, let's chuck it back out. Go. Oh, I'm on. Fish on over here. Let's see what's going on. This feels little. Ah, it's bigger than the other one. Yay, we got activity here. Righto, let's get a bigger one. So I'm just using prawns today. Got a 3/0 hook on, small ball sinker. Saw your rod going. Water's crazy from all this rain we've been having. Still biting. Oh yeah. Does it feel big one or?
It does, it's pulling now.
Yeah. Oh, what do you got? Oh,
Ew.
that's one of those catfish eels. Yeah.
Disgusting.
Go, Sarah. Don't get slapped, Sarah.
It's already slapping me. Ew. Ew, he's slimy. He's gone.
Okay, let's get out there. Fish on, fish on. I'm running to see what it is. What is it? Oh wow, that's a nice size. Check this one out. Nice.
That's a nice one.
Sure is.
$29.
Yeah, 29, just under 30. Other fish up here. We pulled in another one.
Oh, he's stuck in a rock.
Geez, you're getting all the good spots.
Oh, he's stuck right in the rock.
Stuck in the rock, there he is. Another good brim. Have a look at him.
It's alright. Okay.
Nice. It's really raining now. Okay, I'm out of bait. I'm calling it. This weather's a bit crazy. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm going home. Keep nice and warm. Stay tuned for next video.